Groundwater surveyors in Rohini play a crucial role in assessing and monitoring the availability and quality of groundwater resources in the area. With the increasing demand for water and the depleting levels of groundwater, it has become necessary to have a comprehensive understanding of the groundwater situation in order to make informed decisions regarding its usage and conservation. These surveyors use various techniques such as drilling boreholes, conducting pumping tests, and analyzing water samples to gather data on the quantity and quality of groundwater. Their expertise and knowledge are essential in ensuring sustainable management of groundwater resources in Rohini. One important aspect of groundwater surveying is the design of the monitoring network, which is responsible for collecting data on groundwater levels and groundwater quality over time. The design of this network, known as the SCON design, is crucial in providing accurate and reliable information about the state of groundwater resources in Rohini. The SCON design involves selecting appropriate locations for monitoring wells, determining the depth and construction of these wells, and establishing a schedule for regular monitoring activities. The selection of locations for monitoring wells is based on several factors such as hydrogeological conditions, land use patterns, and proximity to potential sources of contamination. Groundwater surveyors in Rohini carefully analyze these factors to identify suitable locations that can provide representative data on the overall groundwater situation in the area. They also consider factors such as accessibility and ease of maintenance when selecting these locations. Once the locations for monitoring wells are determined, groundwater surveyors in Rohini proceed with the design and construction of these wells. Groundwater surveyors in Rohini play a critical role in determining and keeping track of the region's groundwater resources quantity and quality. It is now essential to have a thorough grasp of the groundwater condition in order to make informed judgments about its usage and conservation due to the rising water demand and declining groundwater levels. These surveyors collect information on the quantity and quality of groundwater using a variety of procedures, including drilling boreholes, performing pumping experiments, and analyzing water samples. In order to ensure the sustainable management of Rohini's groundwater resources, their experience and knowledge are crucial. Designing the monitoring network, which is responsible for gathering data, is a crucial component of groundwater surveying. In Rohini, groundwater surveyors are essential to determining and keeping track of the area's groundwater resources quantity and quality. Due to the rising water demand and declining groundwater supplies, it is now crucial to have a thorough awareness of the groundwater condition in order to make wise choices about its use and conservation. These surveyors employ a variety of